Hello, good morning, everybody. Are we still having breakfast?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Ravi over here back again.
Yes.
Okay, where's Ibrahim, Juwaria, Muhammad, Umar, Aisha? Aisha, how's the weather in Aisha, how's the weather in Aurangabad? Where are your videos? Why can't I see you all? Hello, Umar. Wow, you're looking handsome. It's so good to see you. You know, when you have that digital background, I can't see your face, you know. So it's really nice. And you wore my favorite color, red. Hi, Mohammed. Both Mohammeds. Hello. So, Omar, when did you hang Usman last? Upside down? When did you last hang him, Umar? Okay, now no more doing that. Okay, to Mustafa. Sorry, to Usman. Hello, Humaira. Is that your picture when you were small, Humaira?
Yes.
That's really cute. You look cute even now. And there's Yahya with a dab. Rushda, come on, guys. I need to see your videos. Oh, there comes Ibrahim, innovative style. Do you gel your hair every day, Ibrahim? And look at Abdullah with his wild hair. Okay. Okay, Aisha, Hamdan, Hamza, videos on, please, everybody. Mohammed Saqib, Juvi, yeah. So today, which session do we have? Mohammed, you know,
Business studies.
Mohammed, the way you're sitting, you know, as if you're sitting
Business.
for an interview, you know, all very like, you know, okay, calm and yeah, okay. And you know what? You're not the interviewee. It looks like as if you're going to take our interview, yeah. Yes, Abdullah, you raised your hand. Oh, it's by mistake. Okay, it happens. Anas hasn't come in because usually when he does that by mistake. Okay, so we have business studies today. Yeah. Since yesterday, how many of y'all tried, you know, that angry thing at home, making angry faces? Okay, Hamdan. Or when you got angry, you tried to calm yourself down. You did that? Okay, I'm going to send in some assignment in Google Classrooms, okay, for Lit Circle. So please check it, okay? Start with our session today.
Ma'am, did you create a class of Let's Circle?
I'll do that and I'll post the code on Rights group, okay? And then you can just join, right? So coming back to our marketing mix, remember what did we do? We have 4 P's of marketing mix. Can anybody just yes?
Product, promotion,
Hmm.
Product, price, promotion,
Very good. Place, excellent. And
and
price.
price. Yes. Right, Muhammad and Umar. Excellent, excellent. Ibrahim, good work. Okay, so we'll just do a recap a bit. Okay. All right. So the 4 P's of marketing are product, place, price, and promotion. Excellent. We all did very good work with the product. I loved what you all did, you know, the designing and coming up with new ideas and everything. It was lovely. Now, today we're going to go to the next P. Okay. And what would that be? Okay. Factors. We're going to do price today. Okay. So in price, now when you have a product, first thing is tell me what you think you mean by price. Yes, Ibrahim?
the cost of the product.
Very
cost
good. The cost of the product. Yes, Umar?
The cost of the product.
Okay, the cost of the product. Anybody else want to add on to it? Yes, Rushta?
The cost of production, branding, stuff like that. All of it.
Ooh. Okay, okay, I like that. Okay, yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, packing of the product will come in which section? Which piece?
Okay, it's a cost to the company. Okay, supposingly y'all are manufacturing some product. Okay, like water bottles. Y'all were manufacturing bottle water last time. So that time, it would come, the branding, the packing, and everything will come in the cost. It will be incurred by y'all because y'all are the manufacturer. Yes. Anybody else wants to tell me what is the price? What do you think is the price? Yes, Ibrahim, go on.
Ma'am, the offers will come in price section.
Yes, offer.
Buy one, get one free, or
Yay! Definitely.
20% off.
Yes, 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 yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, why it is so much cost? So we have to tell the features and all.
Okay, okay, excellent.
Ma'am, it
Aisha,
will cost to make the bottles.
wow, Umar, excellent. The cost to make the bottles. Mohammadi, what do you think? Yes, Mohammad Saqib, I need the video on. I do very good lip reading.
The amount of money expected or given in payment of something.
Okay, so I don't want a Google answer, Mohammad Saqib. I want the answer given by y'all. Excellent. Anything else? Hamdan, Juwaria, Hamza? Yes? Abdullah, what do you think price would be? How many of us have gone to buy some things?
Me.
Right? Okay. And what do you pay?
Money.
Yeah, you pay
Cash.
something, right?
Cash.
It's either cash or a credit card, okay? And what do you do? Okay, like supposedly I'm buying this medicines, okay? So whatever is the amount written over here,
Excuse me, ma'am, can you please ask the question again?
the question was, what is price? And I don't want any Google answers. I'm done. I want you all to think and tell me the answers, okay? No Googling, all right? Okay, and when I tell you all, that is the time you can Google for it. So now suppose this medicine I'm buying, okay? If you see, they write over here MRP. MRP means maximum retail price. That means a seller cannot sell for this more than the amount written over here. So if this is for 50 rupees, he has to sell for 50 or less, but he cannot sell even for 55 rupees. Got it? So MRP, that is your maximum retail price. So price is something, okay, it's like a payment you
And
give.
ma'am, what is included all tax?
That's what I'm going to tell you. That's what you have to tell me, okay? So price is basically the payment you made. It could be barter, it could be credit card, it could be cash, it could be gold coins. Y'all can pay me in gold coins. It's okay, I don't mind, right? Okay. So it could be any of that payment you make for any goods, any product or any kind of services. Like when we go to Umar's mom, when you're not well and we take you to Umar's mom, okay? So she gives us medicines, okay? Maybe she'll give an injection too and she'll check us and diagnosis and we pay her for the services. Got it? Okay. So it's either for the product you buy or for the services, a payment we make. Now you tell me, suppose you are the manufacturer. You all are manufacturing supposedly this medicine. Okay. If you are a manufacturer, what do you think will come in price? What all things will come in price? Tell me. How will you decide what price to keep for
Cost
your
of making
product?
the product, cost of advertisement, cost of
Very
the
good.
packaging,
Very good. Very good. What else?
cost of the shop,
Okay. Excellent.
and the cost until our products start selling
Ma'am,
really fast.
depending on the quality.
Okay, okay. Now you are a manufacturer, okay? Now suppose you are making this particular medicines. Everybody is making this medicine, all of you. So now you have to decide whether I want to sell this medicine at 50 rupees or at 100 rupees. What are the factors that you are going to consider before deciding the price? Tell me. What all things are you going to consider? Like
Some
Hamza,
factors
cost of
will like your
advertising, even Rashda had said cost of packing, yeah, branding, she said.
Expiry dates.
Expiry dates, yes, okay.
Who am I selling it to? I'll consider that first.
Okay, yes, Hamza. Now we give everybody a chance. Yeah, yeah, I like that. You know, yeah. Go on.
We should keep 50 because many of them will buy.
No, but what are the
Because it
things
is-
you're going to consider, Yahya, before keeping the price of the medicine? Now you are manufacturing. Hear my question. You all are manufacturing it. Okay. You are the ones who made this medicine. You are the ones who are packing it, and you have to sell it to the customers. Okay. Now, what price you have to make? How will you decide? What are the things you will take into consideration? You will think, okay, businesses, I'll have to think, and then I'm going to put it to 50 or 100. Yes,
Ma'am, the ingredients.
Mohammed. Okay, well done, Mohammed Saqib. Yes, Mohammadi.
The rareness, how rare it is, which sounds
Oh,
very
fantastic, Mohammadi. Excellent. Like your answers are always rare. Beautiful. Abdullah, go on. You were saying something.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that ingredients only from which you are making your thing. So
So
how
that
much
means you
that
mean
will cost?
ingredients rather than ingredients. Can I say materials? I'll be considering the materials.
Yes,
Ma'am,
and the main product,
like,
which is the
how much
medicine,
time
how
it will
how
be?
it is made and like that. From which
Okay.
things it is made.
Okay. Anything else, Hamza? Little Shabana Patel, Aisha, Hamdan, anybody? Aisha Aga, y'all want to say? Jui?
Ma'am, if someone this is medicine nobody mostly use, so we can keep it in lower price, so many people buy. And
Okay.
if people uses a lot, so then you can keep it in a higher money.
Very good. You know, Juveria, you are that typical example of Guju mind at work. Gujarati minds, you know, business mind, perfect. And this is the law of demand. This was something, Juveria, which I was going to do it when you all go into Mandela. But brilliant answer. I think you deserve a clap for this because this is a law of demand in economics. When the demand is high, then the price is high. So I think she deserves a clap. Everybody, clap for Juveria, please. Brilliant answer, Juveria. I will not go into
What she
details
said.
right now. I will talk about this when you come Monday. Yes, Umar, of course, I want answers from you. I want answers from everybody. Hamza, you too. I like your hairstyle, Hamza, by the way. No, first let Omar finish, then I'll come to you, Hamza. Yes, Hamdan, I'll come to you. You've given lots of answers. Let's give our classmates also some chance. Is it okay, Hamdan? I hope you don't mind, right? Yes, Omar, tell me.
in my the game we trade with villages. So
Okay.
they do that first. They sell for 23 emeralds.
Right.
So when we buy it very much, they do it 25 emeralds. Then
Yes.
30 emeralds.
Fantastic. Okay, Hamza. I want some. Where are you? Where did my Hamza go? Even he came with a nice hairstyle today, all gelled hair and all. Cool. Yes, Hamza. What will you decide before pricing your product?
Ma'am,
Aisha Kazi, Aisha
ma'am,
Aga?
if I'm saying that if we have some medicine like we get a less price, the people don't buy that much because the cost is too much. We can make this a bit less so people will buy it and the things that are really needed. And we also need money to grow ahead because we are very behind. We can do it for 50 or like 60 rupees.
Okay.
50 or 60
Excellent.
rupees. If less price,
Excellent.
buy 50 and 60, you have to buy a year, it would be enough to buy $1 million.
Okay. Hamdan, coming to you. Just 2 more points if you have, and then I'll start over here with what I have on my screen.
Yes, ma'am. If you are selling some animal, like if you are selling real animals like goats and chickens.
Oh,
so
you come back to goats. You didn't get goat for me, Hamdan. That's not done. Okay. Yeah. Go on.
So, ma'am, when you are there, like one person comes and you give him something in a little less thing, and
Okay.
and if the another person comes and you give him and see if he minds in a little more price. So you give him in a little more price. So like that, you increase the price and you go over there. And you should also sell by keeping the market, which market you are selling it in. Do poor people or rich people or medium or middle class people stay there? So you have to.
Perfect. Excellent. Excellent, Hamdan. Excellent input. Well done, Hamdan.
My father told me this.
Yeah, I know. I was just going to say that I know that you coming from a business family and you know all this basically. So fantastic, excellent inputs, and all his inputs are correct. That's the reason I told you to hold on. I wanted to give others a chance. Yes, Rushda, we consider even advertising. Okay. Though advertising comes in promotion, but remember that all is a cost to you as a manufacturer, Ibrahim. Okay, because your company is the one who's going to be responsible to buy the materials. Your company is responsible for the cost of materials, for the cost of
And even to face the loss.
production for advertising. It's your company who is responsible for the cost of advertising, promoting it, packing it, branding it. You know, so these all are your costs. So first thing, when you are going to fix the price of your product, the first thing is you're going to calculate the cost. How much did the manufacturing this product cost me? And in that, you're going to consider all the cost, you know, right from even that, you know, getting special licenses from the government, and maybe you need to use transportation. So all that cost you're going to take. You're not going to just take the material. Like suppose if you were making a water bottle, so you're not going to just take the cost of the bottle and the water, but even your factory in the plant, you're going to give that electricity. You have to take special permission from the government for the water input. Okay, you'll have to give the water tax. You have to pay your employees. Perfect, what Rushda said. And then you have to pack those products, you have to brand them, you have to market them, you are going to advertise them. So this all comes under your cost. Okay, now there are different types of costs which we'll not do now, we'll go into later. Second thing you're going to consider, because remember at the end of it, you are in the business to make profit. Okay, so till the time you don't know what your cost is, how will you make a profit? Whatever your cost is, upon that, you like, if your cost of water bottle is 80 rupees, you might keep the profit of 20 and then you can sell for 100 rupees. So at least you're getting 20 rupees profit on that. Secondly, you have to consider your competitors. Okay, supposingly, like your competitor is keeping the water bottle for 50 rupees. Will you keep it for 100? Will you keep it for 100?
And we'll keep it for the original price only.
Yes, you know why? Because if you keep it for 100, nobody is going to buy it from you. They'll say, "Arey 50 mein same mil raha hai, to main yahan pe kyun aau?" Right? So you have to consider the fact that what the competitors are also keeping the price. That is one very important thing, that remember the price of your competitors will affect the price of your product. The third is market. Like Hamdan has said, whether you are selling which kind of market, whether it's a developed country, whether it's a developing country, whether you're selling it to the poor, whether you're selling it to the affluent, the rich class, this all things you have to consider. And finally is the flexibility. So what is flexibility? That means your price can change. And how can your price change? How can your price change? Tell me.
If more and more people come,
Ma'am, if
Ibrahim, wait. Aisha is saying, Aisha Qazi. Go on, Aisha Qazi.
if the customers come and take the same things more and more if they like it, so the shopkeeper will
change the price, right, Aisha? Okay.
To a higher amount.
Okay. Yes, Ibrahim, what were you saying?
Ma'am, we can decrease price also, so we can do a sale event.
Exactly. When you have those discounts, you know, like during Diwali, if you see Amazon and then you have this Myntra and all, what do they have? They have special discounts, right? So they have these special festive discounts. Then they have discounts when they know that, like for example, weather discounts. Like in monsoon, you have lots and lots of usage of umbrellas and raincoats, right? So when you have more umbrellas and raincoats in monsoon, the prices are higher. But do you think in summers and winters the prices would be high for raincoats? No, it wouldn't be. So that is the way your flexibility will be there. During festival, you might be having lots of discount, and accordingly, you can decide your price. Okay. Now today we're going to take some other product. Okay. Like last time we did bottled water. Today we're going to take some other product. Yes.
That the customers are buying so much that it is out of stock.
Ah, yes, the customers buy. So, it's a...
my acrylic paints, I was going to buy the set of 2436 ml, but that one was out of stock, so I buy it of 12 ml one.
I bought. Yes. Hamza. Yes. Okay. It's a human tendency, when you see that word discount, even if you don't want it, you buy it. Is it true? How many of your mommies do that? Honestly, tell me, how many of your mommies do that? Oh my God, Omar, your hands are really high. Okay, yeah. Hamdan, yes, Hamdan. No, Hamdan, I know your mom, she wouldn't do that. Okay, Hamza. How many of your mommies do that? Okay, Mohammadi? Okay, Juve, Shazia does that, Juve. Okay, Bella, I think everybody.
She does it on Innisfree products.
Okay.
Take coins.
Yes, you know what happens, Humera, we will play with coins later. Right now, you have to listen and you have to watch what we're doing.
Ma'am, I want to say something in the last.
Yes, I'm done. You can sell now.
Just sell, take it, otherwise
Ma'am, for your advantage and your profit in business, you should always keep an investor. An investor is like if in a car, if your business is of a car. So the car is for 12 lakh rupees. So the investor will give the money, and if we sell it whether we buy it in 12 and we sell it in 15, so that we get 3 lakh profit. So that 3 lakh profit, if I have an investor, so I'll get 1.5 and he'll get 1.5.
Yes,
that's an
on
investor
percentage. If you divide 50-50,
Yes.
then he'll get 50. It could be 75-25, 60-40. You know what? It is said that in business, you never do business with your own money. You do it with investors' money. So, okay, we'll do that later. Anyways, like I said, discount is something we all love, It's whenever you hear that word discount, everybody of us wants to go for it. Okay, now today we're going to do another product. Okay, like last time we did bottled water. I'm going to show you a video and you all have to guess which product I'm going to talk about. Okay, so here is the video.
It's a beautiful day. Another day, another challenge. And one of my buddies, I seen him the other day, and he said he owned 20 different types of sneakers. I didn't even know it was 20 different kinds of sneakers, y'all. But he gave me an idea for
Shoes. We are doing it about shoes.
challenge. Living in a world where people hailed as heroes for being fake and sketchy. That's okay. Swift. I went from B-more to BK, didn't stand for British Knights. It was Brooklyn where the crooks didn't converse, they fight. Ratchet Studios in DC trying to get my verses tight. Left the kids with the sitter on those long Thursday nights. No matter the cost, making plans to be the boss. But they like gingivitis, they don't want to see me floss. They told me get a life, mama said be patient. Came back with creative recreation. Now I make them dollars, Vuitton, Louis Prada. Ladies wanna be my apes and call me baby father. Even cougars tryna holla, introduce me to their daughter. But I'm sorry, greedy genius, I don't wanna date your daughter. Guess that's what a D does to some girls though. Who we gon' trust now that the whole world knows? That's super to the name, cause we just changed the game. We like LeBron, now we're ballin' in this thing. Body, put your sneakers on. We're walking through the danger zone. Lace them up when you hear the song. It's gonna be a long way home. You can't walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes. Can't walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes. Can't walk in my shoes. I feel I got the flow to make the masses wanna see me, and God is on my shoulders. Even pastors wanna be me. Religious kids are unsubscribing cause of things I said, but brand new fans of kids arriving cause of things I did. A Puma, and I'm just preaching over beats and trying to stay ahead like I'm reaching over seats. Deposit any beat, I'm an ace it. Conquer any feat when I face it. These ponies thinking they could take a thoroughbred, race it. Blessed with the gift that most rappers ran from. I'm too hot, too pop, 2 shots and 1. My injury was a brand new challenge, but therapy gave me brand new balance. Now he hot, I can even kill it with the beatbox. Saucony socks, Reeboks. Even if you don't like the song, stunting with my Nikes on. Don't think I'm the best, just like Jordan. Guess I gotta show 'em. Put your sneakers on, put your sneakers on. Walking through the danger zone. We in the danger zone. Lace 'em up when you hear the song. Lace 'em up tight. It's gonna be a long way home. You can't walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes. Can't walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes, walk in my shoes. Can't walk in my shoes. So holla, do I got a thing hip hop.
Shoes.
Oh my God, Rushda is really enjoying that rap, right, Rushda? Oh, goodness me. Yeah? Right, Rushda? Okay, so what was that? We're going to do about which product today?
Shoes.
Yeah, do I need to be more illicit than that? Okay, so we do about shoes. And
Shoes are very costly.
yeah, I know, Ma. You know, but what I love shoes. You know, I love them so much. You know, I love shoes and handbags. So don't worry, it's not a hint for you all to gift it to me. But I love them. You know, I can't just resist.
They
Okay.
come for 2,000, 3,000.
So, Anas, it looks like you really enjoyed that rap, Anas. Right?
No.
Yeah, you said amazing, right? Okay, so there we go. Okay, we're gonna play a game now. Okay, this one is for the girls. Okay, girls, only my ladies will answer. My young, beautiful ladies. Can you tell which type of shoes these are? These are men's shoes, but which type? Go on.
Office shoes.
Juwaria, Aisha's, Humaira, Rushda.
Office shoes.
Sleep.
Okay, slippers. Okay,
Some are office shoes, some are running shoes.
okay. Aisha also
Shoes.
said,
Sport shoes.
sports shoes. Okay, excellent. But those office shoes also, you know, they have a name.
Casual.
Okay. Juwaria.
Sandal shoes.
Okay, sandals. Okay, anything else? Come on, girls. Girls, go on.
Formal shoes, like casual.
Okay, anything else? Come on, girls. Come on. You have to tell me. Any more?
Leather shoes.
Okay, fantastic. Leather shoes. Rushda, come on, Rushda. I'm sure you must be knowing.
Shiny shoes.
Okay, I like that.
Sport shoes.
You know, for us, shoes are shoes, and for especially male shoes are just shoes. Either you have sports shoes or you have office shoes, right, Aisha? Okay, Aisha Akram. Okay, let's see now how many guys know. Guys, what about you? Do you know what shoes these are?
Formal shoes.
Okay, formal shoes. Like I said, for men, there's either formal shoes or casual shoes, sports shoes or office shoes, and now sandals, right? Come on. Anybody? Okay, so let's see what these shoes are.
Can I say something?
Yes,
Boots.
please, Umar.
Boots.
Can you see them? Can you see the
The
name?
world's costliest shoes are 1.8, no, 118 or 19 million dollars.
Oh my goodness, who would want to wear their shoes and where do I want to go with those shoes? Okay, so do you know you have shoes that the name Capto, Oxford and Chukka? Chukka shoes. Have you heard about Chukka?
No.
Boat shoes and saddle shoes and
Driver.
yeah, I know
Yeah,
driver.
ma'am, I've heard of that
Mom,
caterpillar
what
shoes.
is
Not
They're
driver,
the
it's
best,
diver.
ma'am.
Driver.
Ma'am, I've
Yeah.
heard of that cat shoes. They're the best.
Okay.
Slipper.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
that shiny one, that shimmery black shoes is
Yeah.
called a slipper.
I know. Can you believe it? It's called a slipper, and for us, slippers are like those two, you know, those flip flops, those two patties. Can you believe it? So well, even I was very surprised.
The
When I was,
first shoe's name is called Oxford.
yeah, can you believe that? Because they look like, you know, very smart kind of shoes. So maybe they gave the name Oxford. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying.
Penny loafer.
Number one
means
quality of leather.
Yeah. When I also was searching for it, even I was surprised that, oh my God, there are so many kind of shoes. See, you have a monk strap, you know, monk strap. I just wonder, okay, a monk strap naam kyun diya? So anyways, girls, you all did good. And now the question comes for the boys, okay? So let's see how smart the boys are. Yay! Now the
Heels,
boys have to say
pencil
what type of
heels.
shoes are.
Ma'am, it is written.
Boot,
Not-
ma'am, boot.
Not everything is written, just a bit is written. So it's all right. I've
Pencil
covered it.
heels.
Heels, yeah, but what kind of heels? See, there are so many kind of heels out there.
Ma'am, pencil.
Oh, who said that? Who said that? Who said pencil heel?
Abdullah.
Abdullah.
Abdullah. My goodness, Abdullah. Okay, fantastic. Pencil heel. What else do you have? Come on, Mohammadi.
Flat heels. Ma'am, flat heels. Ma'am, flat heels.
Long boots. Long boots.
Long boots. Okay.
Flat heels.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
don't know any girl stuff.
Oh, he doesn't know any girl. Hamza, Hamdan, Rizwani.
Scarpin heels. Scarpin heels.
Okay. Okay.
Scarpin heels.
Yeah, yeah, Hamdan, go on. Girls, are they right? Girls, are
Crocs.
they doing right?
Crocs.
Croc. Okay, what else? I do, okay, croc, yeah, what else?
Sports. There is sports shoes also.
Okay,
Ma'am, leather boots.
okay, leather boots. Girls, are they doing right? Girls, do you want to join
Ma'am,
in?
Crocs. Crocs are also there.
Okay, okay. What else?
Ma'am, kitten heels are also there.
Okay.
No, I didn't
Hamdan, I
see
need
like
to
this.
speak to your mom. Huh? You know a lot about girls' shoes. क्या बात है Hamdan? I'll have to speak to your mom
मैम घर
about
के
it.
बाहर बहुत सारे पड़े हुए हैं.
Okay. Shoes के girls.
shoes. मैम
Okay.
girls भी और shoes भी.
Oh, fantastic, Hamdan. Mohammadi, come on, Mohammadi.
Ma'am, I only see Sam wearing the second one.
Second one. Sam wears only the second one. Okay. And what do you call them?
She also wears heels. Mama, heel होता है.
What about your mom?
Ma'am, what is this, ma'am? I'm not understanding what is this.
I know. Ibrahim, imagine people actually wear those shoes and walk around. How uncomfortable that would be.
I don't know what that is.
How uncomfortable. You know, I think when you wear them, you will be needing 2 bodyguards on your side to help you walk, right?
My mama.
Ma'am, I want that shoe. Take the money and
Yeah, Ibrahim, but no more scribbling now. I got the idea. Yes, who else? Come on, girls, y'all can help them if you know. What are they?
Skechers. My mama wears Skechers.
Oh, your mama wears Skechers. Oh, Anas says he
I
has
also wear Skechers.
shoes like
Ma'am,
these.
canvas shoes. Canvas
Okay,
shoes.
canvas shoes, okay. Can you see there are so many type of heels?
do you wear?
I mean, can you see the last 2 lines are just heels and nothing else? My goodness. They are
Ma'am,
different types of
flats.
heels. Yeah, flats. Okay. Okay, let's see now. You know what? We'll just find out.
Ma'am,
the names.
flat heels.
We'll see the names now. Okay, there are your names, you know.
Belly.
Ibrahim.
Ballerinas.
ये बैलेरिना
अच्छा.
ये है ये क्या है
Ibrahim, your wedge booties.
Moccasin.
Shoe's name is Jelly.
Ibrahim, those shoes are called wedge booties. You can gift Misbah that, you know, and make sure that when she
Ma'am.
travels you, she walks in that.
He's
Ma'am,
already got a long boot.
I
Okay.
love
High,
anything that
high
is flat no problem
And that boot's name is Jelly.
Okay. I know jelly. Can you believe that? You have a jelly and you have a pump. Okay.
Cowboy,
Okay,
cowboy
you have
boots.
a loafer, Chelsea.
Ma'am, cowboy boots.
Cowboy boots, you know, they
Ma'am,
look
wet
cool.
In high boots, knee high boots, with a high boots.
And you have an UGG boots, you know, UGG, UGG, UGG boots. I
Ma'am,
don't know
who
why.
wears high boots?
What is Lita?
No, I like boots, you know, I like knee-length boots. I really like them. Yeah,
Egg boots.
yeah, I know, UGG, UGG, yeah, UGG boots, okay.
Easy.
The
Ma'am,
main
the
motive is
ankle,
fun.
ma'am, the ankle strap is so long. That's the longest heel.
Imagine walking in them now, is it? Ankle strap, okay. And you have a kitten heel. Can you see that?
My sister wears everything. She likes everything.
Okay, so you should have known all the
Ma'am,
names, right?
Dr. Martens.
I know Dr. Martens. Okay, so now we move ahead. Now that you get an idea about some of the heels the girls and the boys wear, not the boys wear heels, but the shoes the
Ma'am,
boys wear.
I think the man made
Ma'am, cowboys
name
used
only.
to wear heels to ride cows.
Yes, not right cow, horses. They would wear, yeah,
Boy
cowboy.
boots are there, ma'am. Boy boots are there.
Yeah, even the boys have boots, you know, cowboy boots, even the males wear, even the boys wear the moccasins over here. If you see the moccasin word written out here, even that is worn by the boys. Yes, Mohammed
Ma'am,
Sakir.
where can you circle? And so I'm not able to.
What do you want to see? Moccasin?
Yes, ma'am.
It's over here. Can you see my cursor? Third line on the right side, black, yeah. Thank you, Hamdan Fislani.
Ma'am,
That's the
a
moccasin.
boot.
That's a shoes. No, that's not a boot. The cowboy boots, these are the girls' type, and the cowboy boots, even the boys have it. Okay, so,
Boys have a different one.
yeah, but they are called
Ma'am.
cowboy boots only. These are the
Ma'am,
girls'
look at-
part.
Yeah,
but
but
they
it
have-
Look
looks
at this
different.
boot.
It doesn't
Yeah.
look
Man, this is not even kind of shoes. This one.
Gladiator. You know, it's like you wear it. It's like a
And
sandal.
ma'am, Mool's also. Mool's
It's
one
like
is also so mota.
Inspired by the Aisha Kazi. It's inspired by the Romans. You know, they had those gladiators, so they would wear these kind. And these are the straps. You know, if you see on your gladiator boots, these are the straps you have to tie it around your legs.
Like
This
the
boot
gladiator
also boys
Ma'am,
wear now.
ma'am, I like the gladiator boots.
You like the gladiator? Even I like the gladiator boots. But apparently with
Ma'am,
hijab,
Gladiator
only-
is also a song.
Ma'am.
Gladiator is also a song.
yeah, and Gladiator is also a movie. You know what, girls? Okay, I'll just stop.
Ma'am, from all of this, I only have the top.
You know what, girls? You know when we had boys, the gents, males boot on the screen, the boys were not interested. But when we had girls' shoes on the screen, all the boys were so excited, right? They all were answering and they all were asking, "What is it, boys?"
Because they're fed up of the shoots outside their house.
Okay.
You know, ma'am, there is a full rack full of lady shoes.
Outside our house, okay. Excellent, excellent. Good, good. good.
Ma'am, they keep when they were small kids ना तब के झूठे भी अब तक संभाल के रखे उन लोग ने.
Yeah, so that is for recycling purpose. You know, they're going to do that and they're going to pass it on
No,
to
ma'am.
you know, the next generation to come.
And
Okay.
they will let
And
you
ma'am,
wear
they
that
give some
shoes.
shoes to my sister also,
Okay.
Aira.
How sweet. Okay, now moving ahead. Come on, I'm sure this shoes everybody knows.
Cinderella shoes.
Yay!
Cinderella shoes.
Not
Not
Rapunzel.
Cinderella shoes. See, everybody knew.
Cinderella.
I was very sure that this shoe everybody would know. Okay, now we'll learn a bit about the shoes. Okay, before we end the session, what do you think? What are the materials, different materials that people use?
Material,
Diamonds.
leather, jute for
You can type it. Go on, you can type it over here. Use your,
jute is for
use your
the
annotation, use your text, and you can type it on the screen. Go on.
Ma'am, the diamonds use it.
Mohammed Sakib, yeah, you can use the text box over there rather than this so that it's easy. Yes, excellent. Bull.
I am on the phone. I can't do it.
Go on. What else do you use? Abdullah, don't use that annotation. I rather you use the text box so it's easy for others also. We can see their stuff also.
Ma'am, I am on phone.
Okay, so leather. Abdullah and Aisha are typing leather. Mohammadi, come on.
No, ma'am, I'm writing jute. For
Okay,
the
you're writing
laces.
June. Okay, sorry. I'm your mother, so my spelling also goes wrong like you. Okay. Yes, Mohammadi, go on. Okay, you have leather, you have jute, you have rubber, excellent. You have wool, excellent.
wool.
What else?
और क्या आ रहा है मम्मा?
Mama, I can hear you asking, और क्या है, Mama? Mute yourself. Okay, plastic, excellent. Who wrote plastic? Who wrote plastic? Please tell me. Me is. Yahya, you wrote plastic?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent, Yahya. Plastic. Okay, tiger skin. Oh my goodness, as it is, the tigers are extinct species. Okay, and if you're going to wear shoes made of their hide, we will be in the prison. So no tiger skin,
Ma'am.
guys.
How we will know that it is made for tiger skin or jute
Okay,
or cotton?
okay, diamond, gold, ruby. Who wrote this diamond, gold, and rubies? I is I. Umar.
Ma'am, pakka Umar.
Umar, you can, yeah, your mama is a doctor, okay, and you can write that is perfect, okay. You have
made from gold, rubies, diamonds.
okay, wool, paper, okay, excellent. Okay. Yes, Rushta, Juwaria, Aisha, animal skin. Yes, you're right. They are made from animal skin. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote it in chat.
Yes. Okay. Leather and wool. Okay, skin of animals. Excellent. Okay. Now, can somebody tell me what are the parts of the shoes? Come on. You all are correct in this. What are the different parts of the shoes? Can anybody tell me? I'll stop the share.
Sole, ma'am, sole.
Okay. Sole
Sole.
and sole. Okay.
Rubber, fabric, laces.
Okay.
Tiptoe.
Okay.
Velcro.
Ibrahimito.
Excellent.
Lace.
Okay. So, you know, basically the base is
Height.
your sole. Fantastic.
Height.
Okay. Then you have the heel.
Quarter. Counter.
Okay. You have your toe. Do you know your shoes also have, no more typing now, Aisha. Thank you. Your shoes have a collar also. Your shoes have a throat also. Did you know that? Okay, so you have a toe box. Basically, all the shoes will have a sole, which is at the bottom. Okay, if you can see this particular picture out here. Okay, all soles will have an insert. Oopsie, I went behind. Okay, will have an insert. They will have a heel counter and they'll have a toe box. Okay, now depending upon different types of shoes, you will have all the different other parts. Yes, Hamza, we are done. So remember, you have your sole, you have your heel, you have your insert, and you have your toe box. Okay. Now, when do you think people started wearing shoes? Come on. When? How long back do you think they started wearing?
Very long back.
Very, very, very long back. So maybe
But all with fabric with animal skin.
100 years.
From the Stone Age.
100 years. Okay, Stone Age. Okay, excellent, Umar.
Billion years.
Yes, Yahya, Hamza.
Silver Age.
Silver Age. Okay. Wow, Hamza.
Homo erectus.
Ice Age.
Ice Age. Okay.
A bit before Ice Age.
1770.
Okay, so I like that. You know, 1770. So very much. Okay. Right. Actually, it was like 7,000 to 8,000 years back. Okay. The first shoes.
Ma'am,
Actually,
I googled it. It was 40,000 years back.
no, Hamdan. Do not Google, Hamdan. I will put you in the waiting room otherwise. When I say Google, that is the only time you Google. Otherwise, you do not do it. Okay.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Yahya.
Ma'am, was 16,000 boots na? It is looking like it is doing that.
In 1600, yeah. That means this was born in the year 1600.
It
Now,
is looking like he's
They are
doing
old
that.
shoes, ma'am. They
Ma'am,
are old.
yeah.
If they put
They are
their
very,
weight
very
back,
old shoes. You know, 2020, the year, this is the year 2020, and that is your 1600 year ka shoe. Okay.
How they wear this?
ma'am, in the sandals, if they put their weight back, they'll fall down. So there's nothing.
Imagine how would they be walking? They would be walking on their toes rather than the heels, right, Juveria?
Ma'am, these are the first shoes were
Yes.
made out of leather.
Yeah. No, no, they were not made of
Skin.
leather. No,
Skin.
they were not made of skin. You know, Hamdan, what you're saying, 40,000 back, yes. But this is the fossil I'm showing you, which was found in US, okay, in the state of Oregon. Okay, in the US, they found a fossil of 7,000, 8,000 year back. And these are the shoes out here. The first one, if you see my cursor out here, this is the one, okay. I'll just show it to you.
That was a shoe, ma'am.
Yeah, this one. This one is the shoe I'm talking about. Okay, this is 7,008.
So big.
And it is made by the bark of a tree, of a bush, which is sage bush. Okay, so it was made by a bark. So can you imagine, it's not even leather or rubber. It is made by sage bush bark. Okay, after that, if you see this shoe, okay, this one. Okay, now this shoe was discovered on a mummy, and that mummy's name is known as Otzi, and then he's also known as the Iceman. Okay, Iceman. If you Google Otzi the Iceman, that mummy, and he had worn these shoes. Okay, now these shoes are made of cow hide. Okay, so cow hide, that means the skin of the cow. Okay. After that, you had moccasins and you had flip-flops, and then you had all these kind of, you know, heels and formal
Ma'am,
shoes and everything.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I don't know, ma'am, but these shoes look very weird, ma'am. How can they wear this?
these are the
Ma'am.
old type of shoes, and these are a bit damaged, Ibrahim. Okay, if you can
Ma'am,
see out
this-
here, this is a damaged ones, you know. So these are all those fossils and, you know, artifacts that the archaeologists have collected over the period of time. So this is the way
Ma'am,
that
the
Probably
Iceman
the
one.
most, ma'am, probably the most weird is this one.
which one?
I've
Okay, yeah, I saw that. Yes, Juveria, you were saying something.
Ma'am, the Iceman shoes is looking like a sack.
Yeah, I know you can stuff your things inside, or maybe like, you know, it looks like,
Ma'am,
yeah, your duffel bag basically.
Iceman
Yes.
is man.
Yes, Anas?
He's a man or girl.
Ma'am,
Sorry,
the
Anas? Anas
ma'am,
is
the
saying
red-
something.
Audrey,
Ibrahim, just a minute, please. Yes, Anas?
Audrey
can't
is
hear
girl or man.
I can't hear you, a bit louder.
Audrey is girl or man.
Oddsie, whether he's a girl or a man. He's a man, okay? And you can Google him if you want. Not now, after the class ends, okay? So now what
Ma'am?
happened? They started with, yes, sir, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I was telling
ma'am,
that
the red circles which you circled, that was found in Egypt or USA.
No, that is not, this mummy is not an Iceman mummy, is not even in Egypt, okay? And I did not do the red circle. The red circle is done by somebody else. That's the Iceman, okay? And he is not found in Egypt. The sage bush bark is
So
the
where
first.
did they find this?
Yes, I want you to find that. Why is he called Iceman? Think about it. Why is he called Iceman? And that's the reason I've told you, you're going to Google about it. Okay. Umar, you were saying something?
Because he was a troll.
Because he was found in ice.
Yes, because he was found in ice. Okay. Mohammadi, you want to say anything? Okay. Mohammed Saqib, you were saying
ma'am,
something?
me.
Yes, go on.
Ma'am, I was telling that because he was found in ice.
Yes, he was found in ice. Okay, excellent. Y'all can. I really want y'all to search that. Okay, not now. You will tell me later about it. Okay. So
Ma'am,
what?
I like the last shoes.
Okay, excellent. I'm sure you like them. Okay, thank you.
I
Ibrahim,
like
for
this
trying to
one.
do it too.
I like this one. This is
Okay. Now, over the period of time, they started, imagine making shoes from the bark of the tree to the hides of the animals to woods and rubber. After that, they started doing synthetic man-made things, like they started using plastic and other petrochemicals, okay? And there was a huge evolution in the making of shoes. first shoes were used only for basic things. Do you know Greek never wore shoes? They said no, we rather not wear shoes. But then Roman, when they conquered Greek, Roman were the ones who said no, shoes is a sign of a status, and they made sure that the Greek would start wearing shoes. Okay, and over the period of time, there's so many cultures wherein, like in our homes also, when we come inside, we remove the shoes outside, right? We don't wear shoes and come home. But there are cultures wherein they even wear shoes to their churches. Okay, so that depends on that. And with the fashion industry, the shoes business went boom, because they started making such fancy shoes, and they started marketing and advertising, and they started creating that desire and want in the customers, and such desire and want that even when they didn't want shoes, people would buy them, right? So now this is the story of shoes, right from Cinderella to the latest shoes that you all are wearing. Next week, I have a presentation for you, okay? And the presentation is, okay, I'll just tell this right now, and I will put it on the Google Classroom. You all will have to do it. It's an individual presentation, okay? Only one slide per person. You are going to select your favorite shoe, okay? Whichever is your favorite shoe. Like for me, I like my knee-length leather boots, okay?
Ma'am, I like everything.
Can
You
it
can
be
select
a shoe that
everything,
we don't
Aisha.
have?
Sorry? You
Can it
don't,
be a
you
shoe?
don't, you don't have to have them. You can Google them, okay, on the internet. You have to search for your favorite shoe. It's not necessary that you have them. Your favorite shoe. Check the price of that shoe, okay, and let me know whether the price for that shoe is correct or no, and why. If you think it is worth it, you can tell yes, because it's using pure leather. That's the reason. Because the packing charges, the advertising charges are very heavy. That's why it's okay. And if you think it's not justified, the prices are too high. Why do you think? Why do you think the prices are too high? So will you do that for me, all of you? Yes, Juveria?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it should be a particular shoe or a company ka shoe.
It's up to you. You select particular shoe, you select company ka shoe. Like for me, I like those leather, like I said, leather shoes, and they don't belong to any company, okay? Unless somebody wants to give me Prada and Gucci. Yes, Rushta, you can give me Prada and Gucci, right?
Ma'am,
So, yes, Aisha?
we have to prepare only one slide about that
Yes, only
shoes.
one slide. You'll show me the picture of the shoes which you like, the name of the shoe, if it's from some company. Aisha, let me complete, please. If it's a name of a company, you write the name of the company, the price of the shoes, and also you will tell me whether these shoes are worth it or no. What is the speciality of the shoes, and do you think the price is all right, or if you think the people are just like,
Ma'am, till the next class.
Yeah, the next class. Okay.
The shoe has to be the shoe that we have or no?
No, it's not necessary that you have it. It could be anything on the Google, on the internet. Thank you so much.